Welcome back. Our new addition this time is a new switch, giving access to
Changing switch back.
a new branch line. One of the trains will take responsibility for servicing the branch line, and we'll throw this switch to get to it. Thomas, since he started up first, took on that responsibility.
Setting switch.
So he should set the switch here, which in this case is making it go straight, which is set now. Thomas take a minute to realize it. And then he'll go on to the branch line instead of going down the main line, and he'll stop at the station.
Changing switch back. Okay. Changing switch back. Station stop for 30 seconds.
So he'll wait here for 30 seconds. And then we'll continue on. Meanwhile, Percy's coming around the track on the main line. All aboard. Looks like Thomas is going to go under Percy. Even though Percy's going downhill, Thomas is keeping up because he has a higher voltage battery. Thomas will wait for Percy to be out of the way. Then he'll come back on the main line. Thank you for watching.